Hello, good afternoon. Kumusta na ang lahat? Andito ko ngayon sa spare bedroom kasi it's too hot outside. As you can see, my eyes is red. My face is red. I feel very tired and it's Sunday afternoon. Spending time here in the spare bedroom with air conditioning. I think all my dogs is barking and my husband is there watching telly. As you can see, I don't know what's going on with my skin. Look at that. It's so red. I just finished bathing the dogs. I have 3 dogs. Their names is Chanel, Fendi, and Mok. Chanel is my dog. She is a Shih Tzu and very tiger. She wants to be on her own with me. Ito lang mga palangga ang aking ginagawa pag Sunday. Nag-chill out lang. Kasi sobrang init sa outside. I think our air conditioning in the lounge is on as well, so never mind. I'm not the one who's paying for it. I paid for it, but it's not my money who paid for it. It's my husband's money, so doesn't matter. Iba mong palangga. Siguro kailangan na namang magpa-retouch ako ng aking eyebrow. Mga kagiliw. Ay, nako. Hindi pa ako nakakabook ng ticket to England. So, I'm still waiting for a bit lower price. So, it's at least there is 800 pounds, 900 pounds, 1,000. It depends what airline. Some of them is very expensive, and I don't have much of that. So I can only afford maybe around 800 pounds. That's it. Thank you.